Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. 2023 Audi Quattro. They call it the Black Ops Edition. Today we'll be taking off the inner door panel on the rear door. Gonna show you how I do it. First thing you want to do is you want to put some tape on the bottom of the door, because you're going to be doing some prying here with this plastic tool. Then you're going to want to remove the screw. It's right here. It is a Torx bit. I'm not sure what size that is. I already got the screw removed. Not a big deal. The screw won't come out of there unless you use a magnet to get it out. So you got the screw, you're going to pry, and then you're going to pry here. So this is how we're going to do it. So I already removed the screw. And now I'm going to get this tool underneath this plastic door panel. Just kind of got to wedge it in there. Make sure you get some plastic tools, otherwise you'll scratch it. Put your knee there. Kind of get some prying going. Okay, sweet. She popped. Okay, now we got a screw underneath this applique. So you're gonna want to take your plastic wedge. Don't do it here. Kind of get it on the side in here. Just work it. Okay, there we go. It's fragile, so take it easy on it. Don't be cranking on it. Okay, there we go. It's got like a little hook in there, and that's why you don't want to start on this edge. Start here. It's tight to the door panel. You just gotta work it. But make sure you get yourself a nice wide, thin plastic wedge. That'll work. So now, got a couple screws in here. Like I said, I don't know if that's a T8 or what that is. So we go ahead and take them out. And they won't fall out usually, unless you use a magnet. So we got door panel loose. We got the screw out on the bottom there. We got the two screws out here. Now it should go. I still got a little bit more popping to do on this right there. Usually you can just take and pull up on the door panel a little bit. There we go, just like that. So now, we got a cable in here. I don't know if you can see it. Not a big deal. This blue thing just came out, but it just sits right there. So you pull the cable and just pull up on it. Easy. It's kind of like a brake cable on a motorcycle there. And then you got some electrical fittings that you got to deal with. And they should be pretty self-explanatory. Just pull down, push down on that little nib. Not sure on that one. These got two on each end. And that one there's got like a little red safety. So Okay, I hit the button on the camera. So anyway, we got one more one more deal there for the electrical. Kind of don't want to let the door panel hang, but I suppose that's always the hardest one. So it wasn't too bad. So we'll kind of go through that. I'm going to do it upside down here. So basically, what you got to do is you got to take the screwdriver and pry it kind of where my thumb is, and it comes out this red lock. It's like a little safety lock. And then once that safety lock is up, you can see it's not coming all the way out. That's it. Then you push up on this little guy. There's a little guy there. You push up and pull it out. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. So this is what you're looking at on the inside. I'm making a quick door panel removal video here. Now to put it back on, just reverse it. Nothing too big. Got to deal with this here. This will just, top of the door panel is just gonna slide into these clips. So yeah, this is gonna be the tricky part here. I recommend taking these clips out. This one stayed in. Taking these clips out and putting them back where they belong. Kind of like this one is. And then this little guy will go inside of this lip. So yeah, you have to pull these fasteners out, put them back on the door panel, and they got their certain spots where they go. Like this one, like this one, and then this one here will go down into there, and one more here. Pretty simple, but you can't try to get the door panel in there. It'd be tough because you can't really see what you're doing. So that is as simple as that. I mean, it's kind of tricky. You want to make sure you watch that applique, you know, with the wedge. Don't pry too hard because you'll end up breaking it. But all in all, just reverse the process, get her back on. Hopefully you learned something on this deal. Like, subscribe, maybe share if you think a buddy has got to get a door panel off. Maybe do a speaker installation or something. So anyway, appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.